Welcome back to the show. James Rule, XRP. I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. I tell you what, today I'm going to break down an incredible organization that I'm honored to be a part of. I'm now the Chief Marketing Officer. We're going to look at tokenization. You know, in the crazy world of blockchain that we live in today, tokenization of real world assets is where we are headed. And like I said, I'm honored to be a part of this organization. We're going to break it down later on today. I will be interviewing the other founders / co-founders on Zoom, and we're going to break it down in detail for you. But before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I discuss in this video or in any videos is not financial advice. I'm showing you new opportunities. I'm showing you new technologies. We're going to break it down. We're going to have fun. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to go ahead and get into it, and we're going to have a good time, baby. Oh, yeah. If you get a chance, if you go to my page now, I have an advanced mode. If you click on View More, you're going to have an opportunity to see some of the different projects that I'm involved with. Like I said, I'm now the Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder at Azvada.com, and that's what we're going to look at today. Follow Azvada at Azvada.com on X. Grow your property portfolio with Azvada's advanced blockchain technology. Acquire, transact, and generate rental income with sophisticated tokenized real-world asset properties. You're going to be able to buy fractional shares. You're going to be able to be involved with a DAO, which I'm going to explain to you here in a few minutes. There's so much to unpack. In a week, so many things have transpired. We're looking at the legal aspects of this project. We're working with the Deaton Law Firm for counsel. That's about all I can say on that for now. Congratulations. And let's go ahead and look at the Linktree. Linktree Azvada. You can see the socials, X, Discord, and Telegram. I'm sorry. You can see the website, the community airdrop, and the early bird airdrops, which we're going to briefly look at. Let's go ahead and go. All right. So about a week ago, I had been talking with David and Enzo for a couple of weeks, and I finally said, you know what? Let's do this. I'm excited to be a part of the community. I'm excited to be part of new projects. I'm now the Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder of the Azvada team. They are revolutionizing real estate with blockchain technology, making it accessible for about $50, proudly incorporating in Wyoming as a DAO LLC. Check it out. It has happened. Last week, it was announced that Azvada DAO LLC is now officially incorporated in the state of Wyoming. Here is the data. Wyoming Secretary of State. Azvada DAO LLC as a limited liability company, and it is a decentralized autonomous organization, which we're going to look at here in a minute. Like I said, there's so much to unpack. I'm kind of going through the motions of showing you everything I can, and there's some things I cannot show you because like I said, we're still trying to get all the legalities, all of the paperwork, all of the organizations together to make sure that this is a legit organization, that everyone involved is legit. So here we go. Join the Azvada revolution, be an early bird, and shape the future of real estate investment. Test our cutting edge platform first. Airdrop, get 1,000 Azvada tokens and win a share of 500,000 Azvada. Sign up here, don't miss out, limited spaces. And here is the sign up page. I'm going to leave a link to everything covered here today in the description below of this video. So you can click on it, you can go through it, you can look at it, and you can watching this video before I actually interview the other co-founders. You're going to get a lot of information. You're going to be able to soak it up, and you're going to learn a lot more once I get the rest of the team on this Zoom conference here in a little bit. Here is the early bird sign up form. Why should you sign up? Exclusive access. Be one of the first to test out the cutting edge platform. Free airdrop. You can secure a minimum of 1,000 Azvada tokens just for signing up and completing a few simple steps. Exciting prizes, participate in platform tasks, and stand a chance to win a share of 500,000 Azvada tokens. How to join it? Simple. Just fill out the form below, complete the KYC process, and link your wallet addresses to your Azvada account, and you're good to go. So anyway, you put your name, you hit next, and you go through the steps, KYC, all the above. It is legal. And then we'll go from there. Azvada.com. This is the web page. Like I said, we are in our infancy stage. We have a long way to go. This is just a basic web page for now. We're in the process of vamping everything up, making it very catchy, but this is the web page. It has a few links. It has all the socials below. The white paper is coming soon. I'm going to show you a tiny bit of the white paper here in a minute. The guy said I could do it, but Azvada is a revolutionary blockchain-based real estate investment platform that allows you to invest in residential and commercial properties for as little as $50 and earn ongoing rental yields. That's the exciting thing about real world assets on the blockchain. Everything is transparent. Anything that is paid out is distributed evenly amongst the individuals that participated. The Azvada property platform tokenizes and fractionalizes real estate, real-world assets, and addresses the challenges in traditional real estate investments, such as the lack of diversification, illiquidity, high transaction costs, and inaccessibility. The platform will include a secondary peer-to-peer marketplace for trading property tokens, enhancing liquidity and transparency while reducing transaction costs to between 0.7% and 1%. And there's a lot to break down on that, which we will discuss at a later time. Azvada is planning to launch the lucrative UK real estate market and has a strategic business model that includes revenue from transaction fees, a person-to-person marketplace, and partnerships with real estate agents. Properties can be bought or sold using fiat, crypto, or stablecoins. The Azvada token is used as a utility token on the platform and offers benefits like reduced transaction fees, early bird investing opportunities. Azvada's roadmap includes listing the Azvada token on exchanges, expanding its property portfolio, and more. More details will be published in the Azvada white paper. This is the Azvada DAO community token holders registration form. And if you don't know, David previously had XList, where projects were able to be listed on centralized exchanges. Now, if you still have the XList tokens, the NVL tokens, XNVL, VGC, on Algorand, XUT, Stellar, the XList token, you can participate with this registration form. It's going to give you an opportunity to accumulate DAO tokens. You're going to have voting rights. There's so much to cover here. You put all of your information in, you submit it. You have until Friday, August the 16th, 2024, which is coming up this next Friday, to sign up for this. So make sure you do it. Make sure you do everything right. All right, here we go. The Azvada white paper. And I can only cover the first few paragraphs because there's a lot of there's a lot of information that has not been released yet. David in the game told me, yes, it's fine. Just don't go through all the bits and pieces at the bottom because we're still trying to get all the legal aspects of the project together. Here's part of the white paper, 2024. Azvada.com. The email is hello@azvada.com. There's so much to break down. You'll have to break down a lot of it yourself. Empowering real estate investment with blockchain innovation. The white paper, the abstract. We're going to cover the abstract, and that's all we're going to cover. Let's take a look at it real quick. Azvada is a pioneering real estate investment platform that leverages blockchain technology to democratize property investment. By offering tokenization and fractionalization of real estate assets, Azvada addresses key challenges in traditional real estate investment, including the lack of diversification, illiquidity, high transaction costs, and inaccessibility. I mean, there's so much to break down here. Committed to regulation compliance, Azvada will implement Know Your Customer. You've heard of KYC. KYB, know your business, and anti-money laundering AML procedures, and register as a virtual asset service provider and distributed ledger technology provider. I mean, we're going through all the legal aspects. I think in the UK, if I'm not mistaken, David told me that there is a sandbox. And what that is, it is like gives these projects opportunities to show the legalities, show how they will work with the public, the legal aspects of it. And that's what a sandbox is. It gives you a certain time frame. This is not being used in the United States, but it gives you a certain time frame to prove your project and prove the legal aspects of the organization. The Azvada utility token offers benefits to holders while using the platform, such as reduced transaction fees and early bird investment opportunities. Azvada's platform harnesses state-of-the-art blockchain technologies, including the XRP ledger and Polygon, to guarantee transactional integrity and transparency. Smart contracts streamline property management, accelerating and optimizing the investment process. In summary, Azvada's strategic approach positions it as a front runner in the real estate investment landscape, leveraging blockchain technology and the Azvada DAO to revolutionize property investment. Get ready, people. The tokenization of things, it was NFTs here a few years ago. Now it's the tokenization of real world assets is coming, and it's coming to you quickly. We were talking about DAOs, and this is a brief, I'm only going to read a little bit. This came out from Chainalysis on April the 7th of last year. Introduction to Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAOs. And if we take a look at it, what is a DAO? Decentralized autonomous organizations are blockchain-based communities that are designed to bring a new, more open and democratic management structure to businesses and other collaborative projects in Web3. So far, DAOs have formed to run several different types of organizations, including businesses, nonprofits, investment schemes, and more. DAOs are designed to operate without centralized leadership, and the perimeters of their decision-making powers and processes are often determined by the smart contracts governing the projects in question. When a DAO is formed, founders frequently mint a governance token, which is a type of crypto asset that may be entitled the holder to DAO membership and a certain amount of voting power on DAO decisions. Typically, the more tokens someone holds, the more votes they have. DAO tokens are typically initially distributed to the project management, users, backers, and other stakeholders, but they can be bought and sold on secondary markets like any other cryptocurrency. DAO holders may also submit project proposals, which are then voted on by the rest of the group. I'm going to leave a copy of this below. This gives the community an opportunity to vote on the project, to vote on the way the projects work, the growth of the project. There's just so many exciting things happening. And I feel that Azvada is going to break the ice on the tokenization of real world assets such as real estate. And we're going to get excited. And I'm going to be interviewing the rest of the team here in a few hours. Get excited. I'll probably premiere it tonight on YouTube. Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to the James Rule Crypto Show. My name is James Rule XRP. And guess what? I told you so.